Hi everyone, welcome to my last update for 2024. As you can see, it's all about my raspberries. Oh yeah, I did get the netting up as well. That's row number 2 of raspberries and row number 3, which is growing through the net. They're growing bigger than I thought they would. I'll have to get a comparison video between what my raspberries looked like originally and what they look like now. Snow peas, did a bit of experiment with the snow peas. I used a yeast fertilizer, and look at the crop. I picked a whole heap of snow peas a couple of days ago, and there's a whole heap to pick again today. Oh yeah, and the lawn is growing and needs mowing as well. Lots of snow peas, salads and stir fries coming up. This is the other side of the raspberries, but mostly it's all about the tomatoes in this patch. So there's probably too many tomatoes in this patch, but I'll trim them up and see how they go. But they are flowering really well. The warm weather actually really suits everything at the moment. This one's got a bit of leaf curl, so I'm going to have to treat it a little bit later. But as I say, they're growing quite nicely. They're quite healthy and strong, and more raspberries. Hopefully I'll get to pick those two. Not holding my breath, but we'll see how that goes. I really am going to have to thin these out though. They just grow like, nobody's business. The rainbow chard is coming to its life's end, starting to flower, but still pretty good. My only sunflower in the garden. I had a few growing last year, but just the one this year. Butter beans are growing really well, lots of flowers. They're coming on quite strong. Again, I used the yeast fertilizer on them. Seems to be working a treat. All lovely and thick and healthy. We'll be picking them in the next week or so, I reckon. So whilst the crop is growing, so are the weeds. The corn's doing really well this year. Last year I did companion planting, which means I actually planted peas and pumpkin around the corn. The theory was the peas were supposed to grow up the corn, but it really didn't work. So I just threw the corn in one spot and hope for the best. And it's looking okay so far. Everything looks a little bit stunted though, but oh well. Zucchinis is growing really well. I've got zucchini growing vertically. It's producing a lot of fruit, so we've been having a lot of baby zucchinis. Rhubarb again, I really need to do something with them. Cucumbers are starting to grow, little cucumbers there, here, there and everywhere. Again, I'm growing them vertically to save space. So I picked a whole heap of rhubarb the other day and gave them to the neighbours. If you have a look in this area here, you can see blackberries coming through, so I'm going to have to get in there and weed that as well. That was one of the reasons I picked them back so hard. But there's still the crop on the right-hand side. Again, another cucumber. And what's left of the rainbow chard and the long grass that needs mowing. You can see my net. It was a bit of a chore trying to get that over. It was supposed to be a 5x5 net, but I think it's a little short. Welcome to Tasmania. You can see the nut out in the view over there. Beautiful day. It's quite clear. Get to see everything from the hill. And look, beautiful Smith Vegas. What can you say? Thanks for joining me.